thought about making money online from the comfort of your home without needing any special skills? It's possible. There's a website that offers money without any effort or investment. You can earn monthly $300 to $2,700 in just 10 to 90 minutes per day. It's all about a website called user testing. How user testing works. Let's break down how user testing works in simple terms. User testing is a way for regular people like you and me to earn extra money. You might be wondering why companies would pay us to review their stuff. Well, it's not as crazy as it sounds. Big names like Walmart, Capital One, Facebook, Quip, Domino's, and Grammarly are ready to shell out cash for your opinions. Now, imagine if big companies like Walmart did the same thing on a massive scale. If they launched products that no one wanted, it'd be a financial disaster. They've got thousands of employees to pay and huge costs to cover, so they can't afford to take such risks. That's where user testing comes in. Companies use this platform to talk to regular customers like you and me. They watch us interact with their products, apps, and messages. It helps them determine if their stuff is a hit or miss before releasing it to the masses. See, it's way cheaper for them to ask a small group of people for their thoughts than to launch millions of products everywhere and hope they sell. This way, they save money on things that will stay on the shelves. So, they're willing to pay you for your insights. It's a win-win. You get some extra cash and they gain valuable feedback to improve their products. Simple, right? So, how do you earn from it? So, what do? You sign up on a platform called user testing. This platform is where the magic happens. You register your website there, and then they bring in folks like you and me to take a test spin on it. What happens in a test? Now you might wonder what exactly goes down in these tests. Well, let me spill the beans. When you're testing a website, it's like having your movie. First off, they're recording your screen. Yep, they're keeping an eye on what you're doing. But that's not all, they're also recording your voice. So while you're exploring the website, they want you to talk, share your thoughts, likes and dislikes. For instance, you could say something like, "Wow, I dig this landing page," or "These images are cool." You're letting them in on what's happening inside your head as you click and scroll through the website. Now, here's a little twist. In some tests, they might even ask you to turn on your webcam. But don't fret, not all tests are like that. And before you dive into a test, they'll give you clear instructions on what to do. Now, when you register and make your profile there, you must take a practice test, which is unpaid. You should take this test to be eligible for this website. Now the question is, how do you take a test? Alright, picture this, you're sitting at your computer and told to go to the search bar. What are you looking for? Kids' clothes. So you search and add cute outfits to your virtual cart. It's like you're shopping online. But here's the twist, you're not shopping. When you finish this pretend shopping spree, the testing is still ongoing. They'll ask you a bunch of questions. Stuff like, how was your experience? Was it a walk in the park or a roller coaster ride? Did the website give you any trouble? And most importantly, what could they do to make your experience even better? That's basically how these tests go down. It's like you're helping the website owners figure out how to make their site awesome. Skills you need for user testing. Now, what skills do you need for all of this? Here's the kicker. You don't need fancy degrees or special training. Nope, all you need is to be able to speak English fluently. Why? Because while you're taking the test, you're chatting away in English, sharing your thoughts out loud. So if you can talk comfortably in English, you've got the main skill you need for user testing. It's as simple as that. No need to stress about degrees or qualifications. If you can talk about your thoughts, you're good to go. How to get started with user testing. So, you're interested in diving into the world of user testing. Fantastic! Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Create your profile. First, you'll need to create your profile on the user testing platform. Think of it like introducing yourself to a group of new friends. Fill in your details so they know a bit about you. Step 2. Link to PayPal. Now, let's talk about money matters. You'll want to link your user testing account to your PayPal. This way, earning those sweet testing bucks can be easily transferred into your PayPal account. It's like setting up a payment system. Step 3. Verify your email. Next up, verify your email. It's like confirming your identity. They want to ensure you're a real person, not a robot, so follow the email verification process and you're good to go. Step 4. take the practice test. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Before you start earning the big bucks, you'll need to prove your testing chops. It's like a practice run and everyone starts here. Practice test, your first step. Here's the deal. To be eligible for those paid tests, you must conquer the practice test first. And guess what? This practice test is the same for everyone. It's like a warm-up before the big game. Earning potential with user testing. Now you're probably wondering, how much cash can I rake in doing this? Well, here's the scoop. The payout for these tests can vary quite a bit, from as low as $4 to a whopping $90. But how does that all work? Dollars per minute. In most cases, you're looking at $1 for every minute of testing, so if it takes 10 minutes, you'll score $10. Pretty neat, right? Live versus recorded tests. But here's the juicy part. There are two tests, recorded and live. Recorded tests are like solo missions. You don't have to chat with anyone. They record your screen and voice as you explore the website. Now, the big bucks come in with live tests. Here, a company agent will join you on a Zoom call while you're testing the website. You share your thoughts and feedback live, and they're with you. These live tests pay more, usually $30, $60, or even $90. Earning big bucks. Here's the kicker, you can earn some serious dough each month. Take, for example, my friend who made a cool 15,000 RS in just 30 days through user testing. So whether you're aiming for pocket change or looking to make a real income, user testing has options for everyone. Alright, you've done some website testing and earned yourself some cash, so how does that money get to you? It's as easy as pie, my friend. PayPal, your money channel. User testing handles payments through PayPal. If you need to become more familiar, think of PayPal as a digital wallet that connects to your bank account. It's like a fancy middleman who ensures your money ends where it should be. So once you've linked your user testing account to your PayPal, your earnings will flow directly into your bank account. It's like a seamless money transfer, and don't worry, it's super secure. Now, in the end, I just give you an idea one last time to make things easier for you. Conclusion. Imagine Domino's Pizza has this brilliant idea. They want to introduce a new pizza to the world. Let's say it's a mayonnaise pizza. They're convinced it'll be a hit and eager to get it out there. Instead of playing it safe and launching this unique pizza everywhere, they decided to be smart about it. Here's where the magic of user testing comes in. Domino's thinks, hey, before we go all in and buy truckloads of mayonnaise and ship it to all our pizza joints worldwide, let's be sure people like it. So they team up with user testing, this platform that connects regular folks like you and me with big companies. They say, hey, let's send out 100 of these mayonnaise pizzas to real people. They'll cook, taste, and give us their honest opinions. In real time, Domino's gets to watch how those 100 people react to the mayonnaise pizza. Do they love it or hate it? This small group's reactions are a sneak peek into what the rest of the world might think. If they see that people are turning their noses at the mayonnaise pizza, they know it's a bad idea. They have yet to waste much money on mayo that no one wants. But if the 100 people say, wow, this mayonnaise pizza is amazing, then Domino's know they've got a winner on their hands. And all this happens thanks to regular people like you who participate in these tests. You get paid for your time, usually around $10 to $20 for just 20 minutes of your day. So, if you want to earn more money without investment, go and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can watch our video on the go.